Teclast F7 Plus is considered to be the closest rival of the Chewy Lapbook SE. Many even joke saying the design of these laptops is the same person. But when looking attentively, we can notice this laptop is identical to the Teclast F5, although it sports a larger screen. In fact, the Teclast F7 Plus is a cheap ultrabook looking like a premium notebook and providing quite respectable performance. It is packed with a 14-inch Full HD screen with quite narrow borders of 1 cm on the sides and little wider on the top. This laptop also comes with a full-sized backlit keyboard, of which the narrow edge is 6 mm. So the typing is quite pleasant. The Teclast F7 Plus is an ultrabook that simply means we shouldn't wait for many interfaces on the sides. This is not the case. It comes with 2 USB 3.0 ports, mini HDMI, DC port, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a microSD card slot. Apart from this, it supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 4.2. Teclast F7 Plus sports a very powerful SoC of the Intel Gemini Lake N4100. It's ideal for wallet-friendly laptops and is capable of handling most of the daily tasks. This chip is based on a 14 nanometers process node and has a maximum frequency of 2.4 GHz. The company has put in 8 GB of DDR4 RAM, a 128 GB SSD, and a 38 Wh 6500 mAh battery. It is capable of providing up to 8 hours of battery life.